Index notation is one way of expressing repeated multiplication. Index notation just tells us that we have a base and an exponent. What does that mean? This means that we may have an expression like a to the power y, implying that a is a base and y is an exponent or an index. Now, what does that y tells us? Y just tells us the number of times that a is being multiplied. Okay, in other words, we are saying that a is being multiplied, that is a times a times a times a, y times. Now, today we want to discuss on the laws that govern these indices. So we are going to discuss 6 laws that govern these indices. And the first one that we start with is whenever you are multiplying with the same base. For example, if we have a to the power m times a to the power n, what you do is you add the powers. What does that mean? This is what it means. It means that you have a to the power m plus n, meaning that those exponents or indices, you add them. Go to the second one. The second one is whenever you are dividing with the same base, what do you do to the powers? You subtract the powers. For example, we may have a to the power m divided by a to the power n, and then this gives us a to the power m minus n. One is when we have a to the power m and then brackets to the power n. That is what we call a power of a power. So what do you do to the powers? You multiply the powers. In other words, there you multiply m times n. What you get is mn. That is a to the power mn. Okay, and then the fourth one is any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1, and it does not matter. If we have 5 to the power 0, what you get is 1. If we have 100 raised to the power 0, what you get is 1. Now, the fifth one is when we have negative indices. Negative indices, what does it mean? It means that we have a to the power negative n is the same as saying 1 over a to the power n. You can see there the power becomes positive. That is the reciprocal. And then the last one is when we have fractional indices. For example, if we are given a to the power m over n, n is the power and m is the root. If we are given a to the power n over m, n is the power and m is the root. In other words, we can express it in that fashion where we are saying that m is just the m root. Okay, as you can see on your screen. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's KZV Academics. Like and follow our Facebook page. It's KZV Academics. Remember that ours is progress. Peace.